Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I am 37. I do keto vlogs, keto hauls, keto meal preps, reviews, and all the keto things. This is my lifestyle vlog. You will see all sorts of stuff, not just keto, but mostly keto. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy, fluffy, husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow and helps me get out into the YouTube universe and meet more amazing people like you in the comment section. So if you are new here and you like what you see, please hit the like button. It helps me. So this is a part of the video where I show you what I am eating today for lunch and tell you what I had for breakfast, which I normally do not have breakfast unless it is a weekend. I'm cold. If you can't tell, I've got my little beanie on. It's keeping me nice and warm. I really love this eyeshadow look today, you guys. Those 2 colors together, they are so flattering of each other. Yes, and it was so easy to do. So, and that is with the Conspiracy palette. I just noticed that my battery's dying, so I'm gonna hurry this up. What do you think I'm having today? I'm having keto chow. And if you missed yesterday's video, I will link it above. But I also have decided that I am gonna start tracking again. I need to get back on track, and I need to see what I'm overdoing. Am I eating too much fats? And you know, what am I doing? So this is vanilla keto chow with a 1/4 cup of pecan oil, and I flavored it with the Skinny Syrups by Jordan Skinny Syrups with Christmas cookie. I tasted this yesterday and it was delicious. So, excuse me, that is what I am having for lunch today. And breakfast, I just had one K-cup. It was like a regular one. I'm trying to clean out my coffee stuff. So I used 1 K-cup and I used the Christmas cookie, just a tiny bit, and almond milk, because you don't need much of that Christmas cookie. It's very sweet, so just a little bit. And then my other one was the Jingle Bones by I can't talk. The other one was Jingle Bones by Bones Coffee Company, which is like a coconut, vanilla, chocolate. I don't know, but it's delicious, you guys. It's so good. I put some unsweetened vanilla almond milk and some pure in that. Ooh, if I could drink that coffee all day and not get jittery, I totally would, because it tastes so good. So we're having an audit at work today, so we're a little bit busy, and it's a much better day than yesterday. I'll just say that. Much, much better. So I'm going to enjoy my keto chow, and I will see you guys real soon. All right, guys, so my battery is dead. I'm charging it, but I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail today. So a company called Flex Pro Meals contacted me, and they asked me if I would be interested in receiving some keto meals. They're like already made meals, and I guess they're flash froze, so I'm not really sure like what you do from there. But anyways, so I'm gonna open it. It's hard because I have one hand, but let me get something to open this, and we're gonna check it out together. I was talking to Erin because she also got the same offer. She said hers didn't come with any instructions, and that they were kind of high in carbs. Now these are supposed to be keto, so I'm hoping that, you know, everything came how it was supposed to, because I don't want to give it a bad review unless, I don't know, we're gonna see. Whew. It's much more than what I thought. So it says to Keto Mama, 15 small keto plus snacks. And they are definitely all frozen. So I'm confused because it's actually like things are falling apart. Keto chicken parm, 15 carbs. I'm assuming that's total carbs, but really all it says is 15 carbs, 25 protein, 10 fat. Ingredients: chicken, Parmesan marinara sauce, cauliflower mash, salt, and pepper. No, that doesn't go to that. Yeah, this is confusing because things have fallen out. So this one, this is keto meatballs, 10 carbs, 25 protein, 25 fat, beef, meatballs, Swedish sauce, light cream, broccoli. So it's all a mess in here, actually. This is a breakfast burger that's 5 carbs. This doesn't say anything on it. This is keto chicken parm, keto chicken parm, keto chicken parm, keto breakfast burger, keto breakfast burger, keto breakfast burger. There's a lot of ice in here. Keto chicken parm, keto meatballs, keto meatballs. I don't know what this is. Keto meatballs. Breakfast burger, breakfast burger. Oh, I already read those ones. Random box with no nutrition information on it. No telling me what it is on it. It's very cold in here. There's no instructions. There's no cooking instructions. I don't know how long I'm supposed to cook anything or heat anything up. Unless it's... You'd think that there'd be some sort of cooking instruction or some sort of letter that came with it. So yes, the same issues that Erin was having, and she wasn't really having any luck reaching out to support. It kind of seemed like there was just some automated responses. I'm going to open this and yeah, no, there's no information. This is a breakfast burger, I think. So there's no snacks. Oh no, I opened the wrong thing. I'm sorry. I opened a breakfast burger. So this is a breakfast burger. It looks like this is like an egg. This is some sort of turkey, maybe. Yeah, turkey patty, sliced cheddar, fried egg, and hollandaise sauce. Which, okay, that actually looks like it would be good, but how do I cook this? I don't know. Because it doesn't tell me. So that's an issue for me because there's no instructions. What is the blank box? We'll see. It says that it's convenient. They're ready to eat. You don't have to do any cooking, anything. But, okay, the snacks, they're like these little, like, frozen, like, fat bomb type things. Again, no nutrition information. I have no idea what's in here. I don't know if it contains nuts. If I had an allergy, I have literally no idea. One looks like it has Reese's peanut butters. One looks like it's some sort of nut. One looks like some sort of Oreo cookie. One looks like M&Ms and one looks like Fruity Pebbles. And they do smell like peanut butter. I mean, I don't have any allergies, but I'll have to go on their website and look and see if there's any more information there. But that's probably not the best way to send out something for a review without any sort of instructions. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna have to do a little bit more research and hopefully I can at least try one of these tonight. All right, so I had to microwave this about 3 times at 2 minutes each, and I don't know. So obviously I should have flipped it over because the cheese has melted to the container. I guess we'll have to take a bite here and try it. I mean, it has flavor. It doesn't taste bad. I'm just curious as why I can't even find any instructions on the website. Apparently you have to let them sit out for 24 hours before you can. And also, so mine has not sat out for 24 hours. but it hasn't been frozen either. It was flash frozen with dry ice. It is good though, I will say that. It is nice. It does taste better than like an on average little frozen meal. I mean, so it is tasty. I'm gonna keep trying these. Obviously I can't try them all today, and then I will just add them all into one video and let you guys know the experience. I did email and just ask them more about the snack because it doesn't have any information also about, you know, instructions. So hopefully I'll hear back. But the turkey is definitely good. It's good. All right, so what you didn't see is I did have some original max pork rinds with some French onion dip, and then I have some of these little smoked weenies, and then 3 of them wrapped in bacon. And I have some ice water, and I had a beef stick a little while ago before we went to the doctor. So I'll update you here soon about what's going on with Tiffany. Alright guys, so before I close out today's vlog, I just wanted to kind of update you on Tiffany's doctor's appointment. I know somebody had mentioned to me, and I can't remember the name of it exactly, but something with her Raynaud's syndrome that somebody said with her broken bones and stuff I might want to look into. So I kind of just questioned the doctor a little bit more about it, and then she started to kind of also agree with that and was like, maybe, especially with the issue not just in her hands anymore, but now it's moved to her ears, her legs, her arms, and you know, 3 broken bones in 6 years, and all in her arms. It's a little weird. So and then also she's like gets super itchy on her legs when she comes in from outside when it's cold. So it's just, they're sending us to I can't even say it, an endocrinologist. You know, like vascular. We're going to see a specialist, and also we're going to go, after Monday, we're going to do some blood work, and she wants to look at her blood results, and the doctor said she needs time to kind of like read up more about it and learn more about it. So really hoping that we can kind of maybe figure something out, because we're not real sure what's going on, you know. And so we have that, and then we came home, and then I had those little smokies. Yesterday, Link's birthday, and I was gonna make him a little cake, but I didn't have the ingredients and I didn't have any money to do that. I had to get gas instead. So before I close out the vlog, I'll show you Linky. Hey, Link, Link, Link. Some people got sad because they didn't get to see you. They didn't get to see you. Say hi, buddy. Say, I'm 2 years old. Oh, you pretty boy. You a pretty boy. Tether training, focus. Hi, I'm right here. Tether training so far is going great. He's listening. Right now he's trying to crawl and get to Peyton to play. But he's been pretty good. So we're gonna keep it up for 7 days, and we'll let him go a little bit each time. But this morning when I woke up and I didn't have him attached to me, he followed me all around the house and stayed with me, so that's good. He didn't have it on, and he was already starting to pick up, and he's calmed down a lot, and I think it's just gonna be a good thing. So that's all that I got for you guys today. I'm going to close out this vlog, get it edited, and I'm tired. This is the thing, when it starts getting dark early, I start getting like tired early. And I'm going back to 10 hours for the rest of the week. So tomorrow and Friday. And then next week, I think we're doing like split shifts. So I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna work. I don't know if I'm gonna be working my 50 hours or if I'm gonna go back to, if we're doing split shifts where I only work 40. So I'm not sure, but I'll keep you guys updated. And I've already made my keto chow for tomorrow. I used some white peppermint mocha. What was it, white peppermint mocha? Yeah, I think so. In my vanilla. So I'm excited about that. And I already showed you guys today, but I really like this color combination. I think it's cool. All right, I love you guys very much. Goodbye.